Hi, it's Chris with SATA USA. I'm excited today to talk to you about the fact that we are celebrating our 100-year anniversary of manufacturing spray guns for painters. We started in 1925 with the NR1, and here in 2025, we're excited to introduce our limited edition gun case that gives you 3 different models celebrating our 100 years. The 3 different models are, we start with the Jet X. This would be a digital ready version. We also have a Jet 100 and our Jet 4400 in the case as well. There's an aluminum cup, and all the guns as well as the cup have a really cool design. The cup says "Passion for Painters" since 1925. The guns, what we've done that I think is you know what, to me, I think it's really cool, is we took the original patent and blueprint from the NR1 and we laser etched it on all 3 models, both front and back, kind of celebrating where we began and where we've come in 100 years. The case is something that is incredibly unique. It's a nice Pelican case that has a design on the outside of it. Then when you open the case, you have your 3 inlaid guns. There's a nice laser etched plaque in there that has that original gun design and the patent issuing date. Underneath that, you've got a microfiber towel. There is a SATA keychain of the NR1. You'll also find a voucher in the case to get yourself a Passion for Painters 100-year t-shirt, as well as our brand new black paint suit that we've just introduced. They are limited numbers. We will be releasing these in December, or the cases will be arriving with the guns to the US in December. I strongly suggest not waiting until then to get an order in. You don't need to wait till they arrive and are available to get an order. You can call your local distributor or get a hold of your SATA rep, and we can get one on back order for you. That way you're in the queue. When I talk about limited numbers, I do mean very extremely limited numbers around the globe. So it's not even something that if you miss here in the US, that you'll have that opportunity to buy from another country. Quite honestly, they are going quick, and I suggest you get on it if you can, and you do have that passion for painters like we do. Please check out SATAUSA.com or our YouTube channel for more information on SATA products.